Good morning, sir.
Morning.
I, Shikha Mishra, on behalf of ITS School of Management, welcomes you to our college.
Thank you. Thank you.
Sir, I would like to know from you that how the students nowadays can have resilience and adaptability in themselves for their corporate journey.
I think the human qualities, which I told that be your own light. I was quoting Buddha in his last sermon. That goes very, very important here. As I said again in my talk that never try to compartmentalize your life. Never try to say something which you are not. So your elemental qualities, your human qualities, the person that you are, the values that you eschew, the idealism that you carry, I think all those things should go with you. If you lead a fake life, you will be a fake everywhere. You understand that? So that's the kind of, not message. Who am I to give message? But that's the kind of thing I generally advise youngsters.
That was gratefully explained, sir. Also, I would like to know from you that what are the qualities and skill sets your industry looks for?
I think the understanding of your colleagues, your ability to work along with them, your ability to give them due appreciation if you are a manager, if you are a leader, and your ability to get into details of everything. Whatever you did, the excellence lies in understanding the business, understanding the work that you do. There is no shortcut to it. And somebody who is skilled and who is prepared to understand one particular area of activity probably will do the same thing with other area of activity also. As managers, you can travel from place to place. But this ability of going into details, this ability to work along with the people, this ability to have compassion and empathy with the people around you is something which is very important.
So basically, detail orientation, teamwork, and empathy is the key to success.
I think so. You have summarized it. Thank you very much. Thank you.
So thank you for your gracious presence in ITS.
Thank you. Thanks a lot. It was a privilege, indeed privilege. Thank you.